In this video, we are assembling the cow candy bar wrap. So I decided to make some treat holders and candy bar wraps for my farm themes, because I thought if you were using it for a party, it would be nice to have something to use for your favors as well. So that was the thought behind creating these. And I thought candy bars would be a something that would, be given at a party. So I'm going to start just by paper piecing some of these pieces together. Now this is a really simple candy wrap, super simple, so they'll go together very fast and you'll be able to make lots of them in a short time. So there is a backing for the cow print, so that you can do your wrapper in a different color if you want, like I did. I think even having a pattern too would be really cute on the wrapper. Okay, so I'm going to take my wrapper and flip it over. You first want to put down the bottom layer, because the head does go over it a little bit. There is a slight border all the way around, so you just want to kind of make it even all the way around. It'll be easier to see if you fold your wrapper on the score lines first. And then I think I want to use foam tape on my cow's head. You just want to take a minute, line that up. And then, so for this size wrapper, it will fit any of the standard size candy bars, Crunch, Hershey, Skittles will fit, bags of M&Ms will fit. Then you want to put your belly band, fold this around. You want to make sure not to do it too tight, because it needs to be able to slide off and on. Okay, and then that slides off and on, and you can write a little message. I might have done mine a little bit tight, but there it goes. Okay, and then you have a spot for writing a message there, and it's that quick and simple. Thank you for joining me.